Feeling overwhelmed by the chaos of modern life? It seems like every day there's a new notification, a new demand on our time, a new reason to feel anxious. But what if I told you there's an ancient philosophy over 2,000 years old that holds the key to finding calm, resilience, and happiness right now? It's called Stoicism, and it's not about being emotionless or detached. It's about focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you can't. Today, we're going to explore some simple, practical Stoic habits that you can start practicing every single day to genuinely transform your life. These aren't just abstract ideas, they are actionable steps that really work. First up, let's talk about your morning. Before you even check your phone, try this: the premeditation of evils, or as I like to call it, a negative visualization. It sounds gloomy, but hear me out. Take just a minute to think about what could go wrong today. You might miss your bus. Your boss might be in a bad mood. You might spill coffee on your shirt. The point isn't to create anxiety, but to prepare for it. By imagining these small annoyances ahead of time, you mentally rehearse your response. When something inevitably does go wrong, you won't be caught off guard. You'll think, I expected this could happen. It robs minor setbacks of their power to ruin your day and builds incredible mental resilience. The next habit is to practice the dichotomy of control. This is the absolute cornerstone of Stoicism. Throughout your day, constantly ask yourself, is this something I can control, or is it something I can't? The traffic on your commute? Uncontrollable. Your reaction to the traffic? Completely controllable. Someone else's opinion of you? Uncontrollable. Your own integrity and actions? Controllable. By consciously sorting your worries into these two baskets, you free up an enormous amount of mental energy. You stop wasting time stressing over things you have zero influence on, and instead focus your efforts where they actually matter, on your own thoughts, your own choices, and your own actions. This single habit can bring an immediate sense of peace and empowerment. Habit number 3 is to practice voluntary discomfort. Our modern lives are designed for maximum comfort, but this can actually make us weaker. The Stoics knew that building resilience requires stepping outside your comfort zone on purpose. This doesn't have to be extreme. Try taking a cold shower for 30 seconds. Skip that afternoon snack even if you feel a little hungry. Intentionally leave your phone in another room for an hour. These small voluntary hardships train your mind and body to endure. They teach you that you can handle discomfort, that it's not the end of the world. It is like a vaccine against the inevitable and much larger discomforts that life will throw your way. You prove to yourself, day by day, that you are tougher than you think. Our 4th habit is a powerful evening ritual, the Stoic journal. Before you go to sleep, take 5 minutes to reflect on your day. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, one of the most famous Stoics, did this religiously. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. What did I do wrong? What did I do right? What could I have done differently? This isn't about beating yourself up. It's about self-awareness and continuous improvement. It's an honest, private conversation with yourself. By reviewing your actions without harsh judgment, you learn from your mistakes and reinforce your successes. This daily review helps you become more mindful, more intentional, and more aligned with the person you truly want to be. Finally, remember memento mori, which is Latin for remember that you will die. Again, this sounds dark, but its purpose is incredibly positive. It's not about being morbid. It's about appreciating the present. Thinking about the finite nature of life puts everything into perspective. That petty argument you had, that small worry keeping you up at night, do they really matter in the grand scheme of things? This reminder urges you to live with purpose, to not waste your precious time on trivialities. It encourages you to tell people you love them, to pursue your passions, to experience the world, and to be present in every single moment. It's a call to action to live fully right now. So there you have it. 5 simple Stoic habits. Negative visualization, the dichotomy of control, voluntary discomfort, daily reflection, and memento mori. Integrating even one of these into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your peace of mind and resilience. Start small, be consistent, and watch how your perspective begins to shift. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and consider subscribing for more insights on living a better, more intentional life. Let me know in the comments which habit you're going to try first. See you in the next one.